Hey, what's up guys? It's Daniel here from BigDProductions. So as you can see, the weather is not permitting to go out. Really, it's not great weather to go film. So today I thought I'd show you guys how to prepare Thai curry chicken. That's something I learned when I went on my trips to Thailand. So let's go and I'll show you how. Hey guys, and here it is. This is what you'll need. The ingredients to make the chicken Thai curry. So you got, I used some bamboo shoots. You can use any vegetable. I use some carrots. You can also add onions, green peppers, or whatever you like. I have some eggplant here, mini eggplant. This is Aroidi coconut milk for the sauce. And this is the Thai curry paste, red curry paste that you can get in any Asian grocery store. And chicken, I've used chicken breast, you can use chicken thighs, whatever your preference is. And obviously I forgot to mention garlic, very important. Now that we got all our ingredients ready, let's start making the dish. So we're gonna add our carrots. Oil was hot. I'll turn down the heat a little bit. Let that cook a bit. And I got my garlic. Smelling good with the garlic. Then you're gonna wanna put some red curry paste because you want that to cook in the oil. You know, I put about this much. The more you put in, the spicier it will be. Break down that curry paste. Put the oil in there, garlic and carrots. You really start to get the aroma of the red curry paste. Garlic. Smelling good. Right now, the temperature is at a minimum number 3. So now we can add our chicken. That will continue to cook in there. I lost my light here. Turn up the heat a little bit. Sorry about the light, guys. You can still see it. Mix that in all nice with that red curry paste. Glaze that chicken. Let it simmer a bit. Raise the temperature a bit. Also, now you can also put in some of these bamboo shoots. These are kind of nice. They gave the dish a nice texture. They're a little bit crunchy. I like them, but if you don't like them, you don't have to put them. Looking good so far. After this, when it cooks a bit more, we're going to add the coconut milk. If you want, you can add a little bit of water, just a tiny bit. Like I said, you can also add different kinds of vegetables, whatever your preference. There's no, strict rule that you can put in. Cooking is about, experimenting and trying different methods. Personal preference, personal taste. This is what I like. That's why it's my version of Thai curry chicken dish. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the coconut milk. About half of this container. And it'll continue to cook and simmer. Give it a nice stir. I have the temperature at about 7. So I'm going to let that simmer. And I'll get back to you guys. So here we got the pot cooking. We got the rice going right there. And then what I didn't show you, I put in some spices like salt, pepper, and chicken stock cube, also to give it a little flavor. And I got some Thai basil leaves here. We're gonna add that into there. Oops. And the final ingredient is the eggplant. All right. So I put in that last because it cooks pretty quick. Right? You just mix that in nicely into there. And we're gonna let that simmer a little bit more so the eggplant cooks a bit more. And we're gonna add some water, a little bit. It'll cook down a bit more. Yeah, it's a nice, healthy meal. So I'll catch you later when it's ready. And then we'll get ready to serve it. So the dish is all ready, so let's go eat. So there you have it, people, my Thai curry dish. So let's go and try how this is. A little bit of rice, a little bit of chicken. Delicious. Big D approves. So I hope you liked the video. I'm hoping to make another video shortly. I'll probably be doing a food review downtown Toronto. So if you like these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to get notifications when I upload new videos. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button, and see you soon, guys. Out.